everybody and welcome to my vlog. Today we're going to talk about arriving in Atacama Desert. Yes, so after a 15-hour flight from London to Santiago, I got a LATAM flight from Santiago to Calama, which is just about an hour and a half flight, and the tickets are very cheap. If you only buy a ticket that allows you to have just a tiny backpack, then the flight is just about £80 return confirmed seat, so it's pretty good. If you want to add a 10-kilogram luggage, then it's about £120. For the car, I would suggest to book it from booking.com or kayak.com, and it is super cheap. I rented an SUV, but they didn't have it when I got there, so they gave me a pickup truck, and that was a really good deal. It was just £120 for 4 days, and the insurance was £60. Found a room about 10 minutes away from San Pedro de Atacama driving, but it was super cheap and you could see the stars at night. It's a big room compared to what they have in the city, and you have a kitchen and a fridge where to put your stuff and a shared bathroom. The town is very small. In the old center you cannot park the car, so you need to park it outside of the old town. And you can find a lot of restaurants and some shops for souvenirs or clothes or whatever. And some of the restaurants are really good. I'm gonna show you which ones I love the best. Right here we were looking for some souvenirs, jewelry wise, and they love lapis lazuli. It's a very famous rock they have here in Chile, so we were looking for that. Pretty nice little stores, and they're a lot cheaper than in Santiago, that's for sure. And here are my top 4 restaurants from San Pedro de Atacama.
Ahí está este hermoso homenaje a este gran lugar, Pampa Divina.
Nice.
This is on the driver.
It has a gimbal, yeah. Oh my god, look at that. That looks cute. Gracias.
Gracias.
Wow.
Perfecto, gracias.
Look at that. That looks amazing.
I saw someone have it over there.
And at number 2 is Café Adobe. Yours looks really good. Sorry, it's for my YouTube. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And the quesadilla. Is it good?
Very good.
Cool. At number 3 is Jordan Meraki. So we came to this place, the Jardin, in San Pedro de Atacama, and we have found a table for the Christmas dinner because we didn't book anything. Let's see. This looks so nice. Hello. Like and subscribe. Hello.
So we got the Christmas menu.
Christmas menu. Okay, let's see. And back into San Pedro de Atacama. We are looking for some empanadas to drink beer. Let's see what we find. This is where we ate last time. Adobe Cafe. Rincón del Sal. This is where they have beers. Yeah, it's closed. Oh guys, did you see that one? How cute with the llama. Right there. Café del Desierto with the llama. Cocina chilena. The llama. I think because it's Christmas, there are so many things closed. Cred că trebuie să venim mâine dimineață, mama, pentru Iulia. Cred că e închis de Crăciun. Is it closed? Maybe because it's Christmas? Yeah, empanaderia. Here it is. We found some. And at number 4 we have Emporio Andino. And empanada. Ooh, and coffee. Empanadas are so good. Looks good. Wow, look at this place. Hey doggy. Oh, I love it. So much cool stuff on this trip.
Live.
No, I'm just recording.
This is like the best place to party.
Yeah,
Like the closest.
Our
is
hostel we
this.
go here after.
Yes. Yes.
Lola.
We are the only place, one of the few places that you could actually dance a little bit, and we have a live DJ in the
cool.
back. Yeah, we have two terraces, one for smokers, one for no smokers.
So time do you shut?
Huh?
Time do you close?
The gates at 1 o'clock today.
Yeah.
And at 2 o'clock,
Everyone has to go,
is
yeah?
done, yes. And after that, there's always an after party, but all of that is clandestine because there is like no parties allowed.
Yeah,
in San
we
Pedro.
heard, yeah.
For example, the last night we went to this after party because we closed real late, so we want to do something after work. That we arrived and the cops were already there. So
No way, really?
Yes, and they entered, kicking the door and stuff. Yeah,
No way.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. It's good fun. Yeah. I recommend it for later.
Yeah, we got some friends who are coming.
We
here
got
later.
some good food, good drinks, and we also have the karaoke to get you started.
Oh no,
You can sing, and even if you're terrible at it, you get a drink.
Really?
Nice.
Okay. So you have to be bad on purpose.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay,
Well,
maybe we'll
see
see you
you.
later then.
Bye.
Come back.
And before I go, I wanted to say that even though I didn't stay at this hostel, it was super cool. My friends stayed there and I recommend it for sure. The Backpacker Hostel, it's right in San Pedro de Atacama. They have hammocks, they have trips that you can do. If you can't rent a car, then you can do trips with them like stargazing and anything else, the lagunas. Everything that we did with the car can be done from the hostel. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.